What's up, Marla fans? As you have no doubt noticed from repeatedly watching the Marla videos, which you are repeatedly watching them, right? Some of the videos we're driving around with the top down and the windshield down, we get a lot of wind buffeting noise, and I know that it's a problem, so I'm doing something about it. I ordered these guys online. I got them on Amazon for like $10 for a pair of them. It's a little foam wraparound that fits the GoPro 10 and presumably other models, but this has all the cutouts that should fit for this model. So here we go. So there you have it. You can see where it fits onto the GoPro. It's got little holes that align with all of the little features on the GoPro 10. Those are the little fold down clamps on the bottom. There's the power button. There's the record. We've got the screen here on the front and the camera lens, and then the screen on the back. There is some info online that says if you're going to hardwire power, you need to kind of cut a little hole here so that you can have the door open. This assumes you're going to run off battery and have it open, closed rather. But you can cut a little opening so that you can open the door and have hardwired power in there, which is another project I'm going to do on Marla. I'm going to discreetly add USB ports so that I have permanent power. Yeah, that's it. So we'll give this thing a roll and see how it goes, and make some comparisons, etc. Just as a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any one particular product. I'm just showing off a small upgrade to Marla's videos and talking about the effectiveness. So there's already a huge difference in the amount of wind noise that this thing keeps out of the camera, and that is noticeable when you compare it to this other clip. So I gotta say, I'm already really impressed with this little foam wraparound, and the fact that it was only, $10 for two, to me makes it totally worth it. I do hope this increases your enjoyment of the videos as it has mine. Nobody likes listening to the wind buffeting noise, and we do as much driving as we can with the windshield down, so fully expect to have a lot of wind pushing up against the GoPro. So that's it for this one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Enjoy the sound of the Jeep. We'll catch you guys on the next one.